Resume Studio AI is a game changer that just dropped. And if you're looking to take your resume to the next level with AI, then there are 7 crucial things you need to know. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand why this tool might just become your new favorite resume assistant. Stick around to find out what makes this software stand out from the rest, and why it's getting so much attention. First things first, Resume Studio AI is designed to automate and enhance the resume building process. It's a tool that uses advanced AI algorithms to help you craft a highly optimized resume tailored to your target job. Whether you're a recent graduate, switching industries, or just looking to refresh your resume, this software takes the guesswork out of the equation. One of the coolest features is its ability to analyze job descriptions and tailor your resume accordingly. It doesn't just spit out a generic resume template. Instead, it understands keywords and skills that are relevant to the specific role you're applying for and ensures your resume is aligned with what hiring managers are looking for. This helps boost your chances of passing through applicant tracking systems, say ATS, that companies use to filter candidates. Now, what's really impressive about Resume Studio AI is the level of personalization it offers. The software doesn't only adjust based on job descriptions, but it also takes your experience and achievements and presents them in the most impactful way. It suggests powerful action verbs, formats your work history in a visually appealing way, and provides suggestions for quantifying your accomplishments, critical for showcasing the value you bring to potential employers. Another powerful aspect is its resume scoring system. Once you've created a draft, Resume Studio AI gives you a score based on how well your resume matches the job market standards. It's like having a resume expert look over your work. It also provides real-time feedback on how to improve your content, making sure that your resume stands out from the crowd. Unlike many other resume building tools, Resume Studio AI isn't just focused on the content. It also helps with the design. The software offers a range of professional templates to ensure your resume looks polished and is easy to read. No more worrying about formatting issues. Everything is streamlined for you. What makes it even more attractive is that it's easy to use. The user interface is incredibly intuitive, and even if you're not tech savvy, you won't have a problem navigating through the software. It's designed for everyone, from beginners to those who are already familiar with resume building tools. And here's something that really sets Resume Studio AI apart. It's free to try. If you click the first link below, you can start using the software and see how it works without any commitment. I highly recommend checking it out, especially if you're looking for a quick and effective way to improve your resume. Lastly, after testing thousands of AI tools, I've compiled a list of my recommended AI software for various needs. You can find them in the description below, all of which are free to try. But right now, Resume Studio AI is undoubtedly one of the best tools for anyone looking to craft a professional, tailored resume that stands out in today's competitive job market. So, if you're serious about landing your dream job, don't miss out. Give Resume Studio AI a shot and get your resume to a level that will make hiring managers take notice.